Hey everyone, welcome back to Jabberjaw. Today I am doing a little bit different type of unboxing for Boxycharm. Normally I do their monthly subscription, but right now I am doing a add-ons haul. They do this like every month. They do add-ons and then they also do all these different things. I don't know. It's kind of crazy how many different perks you get if you're a Boxycharm member. This is one of my favorite parts about Boxycharm is basically as long as you have a Boxycharm subscription and you're a member, you can order extra items during certain times of the month for a discounted rate or price. This is a great opportunity if you saw an item, since there's so many different Boxycharm variations, but you don't receive it in your box. This gives you the opportunity to purchase that item at a really good price later down the road. The first item I'm gonna jump into is a whole box. I ordered one of the MAC themed Boxycharm boxes they put together, and it's not a mystery box. I did know it was going to be in here, but it comes in its own little like normal Boxycharm box, and it was $12. And the retail value is, I'm sure it was like something over $100, but I paid $12 total for everything in this box. I was like, that's a steal. And you know everything that's in it when you order the boxes from the add-ons instead of like it being a mystery with a regular Boxycharm subscription. So that part is really nice because you know what you're getting. So the first item up inside the box is this La Vito Nourishing Hand Cream, which, I mean, who doesn't need hand cream? It's always super useful. And then the next item is an item I've gotten before and I really like these. It's the Spongelli Body Wash and Buffer. I just really like these. They last for kind of a while, and for a lazy person like me, they work great and they always smell really good. The next item up is Fab Beauty First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So just like a exfoliator pad. Then we have MAC Cream Shine Lipstick in the shade Sweet Sakura. Now I actually already own this shade because I own way too many MAC lipsticks, so I will be gifting this to a friend. And then we have some beauty sponges. I haven't used this specific ones before, but I honestly have like a million beauty blenders, so I will probably also save this and just kind of use it in some sort of birthday gift or Christmas gift for someone. So yeah, that's 5 items for a total of $12. I think it's honestly like a really good deal because any of these items cost $12 on their own usually. So that was first up. The next thing I want to talk about, I'm not too happy with because it kind of got like a little bit all over my box. It was packaged pretty well where paper was wrapped around this one item, so it did contain it a bit, but I did lose a little bit of the product, and it's Sardinian Spirit, and it's like a body wash by Skin & Co. And as you can see, like quite a bit leaked out of the package, and like it's all soapy on the outside. I think I paid like $3 or $4 for this. I think it's normally like I don't know, way overpriced. And I've gotten it before. I got it in a box and I really liked it, but I went through it pretty fast because it's like kind of thin. So when I saw it on sale, I figured it was a good time to stock up and get a second one. The next thing I got, I actually didn't get for myself. I got for a friend who loves face masks and loves anything like skincare or like acne related. So it's a proactive skincare mask. Again, unfortunately, I don't remember the exact how much I paid, but everything I got, I think I got 70% off or greater. So this wasn't more than like $2 or $3, I want to say. Next item up is the Laundress, and this is a delicate wash. So it's just like a body wash. I actually haven't tried this one before. And this one was like sealed really well and did not spill out at all. It was just the other body wash that spilled out a little bit. And oh wow, I'm really stupid. I thought this was body wash. This is actually laundry detergent. And it says you get up to 32 washes, and it's for like washing silk and lingerie and like delicate stuff, which I'm not even mad about buying it. I didn't know what it was, and I just assumed it was body wash, but I don't own anything to wash more like sensitive items. So usually I just either don't wash them, which, you know, I should be, or I wash them incorrectly and then they're ruined. So maybe I will stop ruining stuff now that I have this. Next item up is another First Aid Beauty product, and it's the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. And I am all about body scrubs. I'm crazy for them. So when I saw this for like 70–80% off, I had to snag one. I haven't used that one before, but I feel like you can't really go wrong with body scrubs. The next two items I'm gonna show together because they're similar. I ordered 2 sets of lashes. So this is the first set by Lava, and they're like mink and like super long and luxurious. And lately I've just been getting more into lashes and trying to go for more dramatic looks. So I figured these are like normally like, I don't know, 25–30 bucks, but with the discount, they were like $3, $3 or $4. And it was the same thing for these ones. So these are Baddington, and they come in the cutest little like box that like has magnetic. Like they put so much effort into the packaging with this one. I really love it. And it comes with a little mini tube of glue, and they're also just like really long. And yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. I mean, I kind of feel like lashes are one of those things where like you don't really need to spend a lot of money on them. These were on such a good discount. Like I would never pay full price for these type of lashes because I usually, you know, get pretty drunk and then like leave them somewhere on a subway. I don't know, like I just don't take good care of my lashes. So unless you're really on top of it, I feel like you're better off just like buying like the really cheap Ardell ones. And if they're ruined after one wear, there's no real loss done. But at that price, I figured might as well treat myself. Then next up, we have some Fenty Beauty. I ordered 2 different Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brushes. Oh, that wasn't me. The first one is like just a regular eyeshadow brush. It looks like it's a precision blending brush. And then so I get readjusted here. And then the second one is an all over eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna take these out really quickly or really slowly, really slowly. Okay, I was gonna take both of them out, but because of how long it took me to take one out of a package, I'm just gonna take one out to show you. So it's a box, and then it's a brush wrapped in plastic. So yes, I am very challenged at opening things, but was the double plastic really necessary? I don't know, you tell me, Rihanna. And then the brush is really nice. The handle's like tapered, but yeah, you can see, and then it comes with a really nice cover on top. If I can take that part off. Oh, it's so soft, so pretty. Look at that brush. Just look at those individual, I don't know what I'm doing, bristles. Okay, I just realized I was taking it off wrong. You put it on the bottom. Oh, well, great, now I can't do it. So you just put it from the bottom of the brush and then just slide it up. So 2 of those brushes, I paid $4 each per brush. Now, personally, I have a belief system where I will never pay for brushes. I don't believe in it. It's actually, my religion is the religion of not paying for brushes, because I always get them in subscription services, and I just feel like brushes are so expensive, and I'll just keep the same ones forever and use them forever, even if the bristles start falling out, or I just don't believe in paying for brushes. But I couldn't resist because I really wanted to try these ones, and they were such a good deal that I don't know, I couldn't control myself. When I see Fenty on sale, I just can't control myself. I don't even care what it is. I don't care if it's brushes, and I have a strict no brush policy. I want it, and I can't help myself because it's on sale. Next up is the thing that made me be like, I have to get some stuff because I do actually need this. And it's Touch in Soul Pretty Filter. It's just a glossy moisturizing skin balm. This is my favorite. So I got this originally in a Boxycharm box. I loved it and I used all of it, and I rarely use all of a product. I think I paid $6 for this, and it's normally like, I don't know, 35 bucks, something like that. It was a steal. Would I pay full price? I don't know, because I actually really love this product. It is the moisturizer that just makes my skin feel the best, and it just gives it this like really natural glow when I wear it. So even if I don't wear any like makeup or foundation, it just makes my skin feel like vibrant and alive. I don't know. I'm getting emotional about this, but I really love this product. It's one of the few skincare products that I love. Then next up we have a Becca, and it's a lip liner in the shade Fun, because, you know, girls just want to have fun. Everyone just wants to have fun. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know really why I bought this. Oh, it has a little like sharpener on the end. That's kind of useful. Oh, but it also, why do you need the sharpener if it rolls up? I don't know. I'm not gonna ask questions, but you know, it's a shade that really matches a lot of it's a shade that I feel like is a good match for a lot of the lipsticks I use. And I've been wanting to use more lip liner because I never use it. And I feel like my lip always looks pretty janky, but yeah, there you go. You can see a little bit. I don't know, that was a weird swatch, but just like a really basic red coralish tint lip liner. And then we have Kat Von D Metal Crush liquid highlighter, and I think this was like literally like $3, and that's why I bought it. Kat Von D brand, like KVD, it's really hit or miss for me. Like there are some products that I really love. There are other products that I just think fall flat. So when it's super, super cheap, I'm always very skeptical of whether or not is this just gonna be one of those products that's gonna fall flat. The price point was so low that I figured, what do I have to lose? It's like $3. So I don't know how to work this. Oh, I need to, okay. Figuring out, we're learning together as we go, guys. So you take the tube and then you twist it, 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 twist it. I don't know what's happening. Oh, maybe my twisting, no, you only twist in one direction. Oh, I zoned out for a second there and I twisted a little too much. So then it started coming out the top. Anyways, ooh, okay. I made a really big mess because I am messy, but it's just rubbing in a little bit. It's a very shimmery gold. I don't know how this is gonna turn up on camera. In person, you know, I feel it. I feel it. It's not too, the way the light reflects, I don't know, it's subtle. It's not too wild. Blends in pretty well, it seems. Some of Kat Von D's highlighting products are really chunky and like, I like the shades, like the hollow, I don't even know what it's called, but I own a bunch of Kat Von D highlighters and I love the shade variety, but the consistency is just too chunky sometimes. They're always like a little bit dry, patchy. Maybe that's just because I buy all my makeup on clearance pretty much because I don't like paying full price or anything. So it might be like a little bit my bad of like not buying the freshest product, but my experience has always just been that the consistency wasn't great. And then this brings us to our last product, which I am extremely abnormally excited for. And that is the Smashbox Photo Finish finishing powder. And I got it in the shade 01, which is like the lighter shade. They have two shades. Now this item is actually, spoiler, not really a spoiler because everyone already knows this, but this item is gonna be in the November, one of the November boxes, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it because I was a little bit late putting my choice in. I might not get this item. I hit mystery because I still was like hoping I would get it. And then of course, right after I like locked in my choice for mystery, the palette sold out. So then the only option it would have been to choose was either mystery or the wrong shade of this product. When I saw it in add-ons, I was like, I'm just gonna buy it because I know I want it. And if I get a second one, it's an item I can give to a friend. So it's the Smashbox finishing powder. And what's really, really unique about this product, I'm just gonna open mine even if a second one comes. Oh my gosh, look at this. It looks amazing. It looks like a camera lens. Oh, it really is. Look at it. Zoom lens. Oh my gosh. I was just looking at the style. Man, I love it. Okay, good packaging. What's really, really cool, you don't probably want to see. You twist it. So you just twist it. So you get like fresh powder. I don't want to waste it, but oh well. You get fresh powder every single time, which I don't really like know if the powder needs to be that fresh, but I'm all for a gimmick. Like anything that like makes the makeup experience more immersive and more fun. I'm one of those people that likes putting on makeup. Like I enjoy the process. I spend a lot of time doing it. It's not just about the end result. It's more about like the process. But this product is so fun and exciting. Like I can't wait to like use it all the time. And I feel, I don't know if fresh powder is really a thing like that you need, but it's a thing that I now have determined that I need. This is the only product I didn't pay probably 75% off or less. I got this for 50% off, I believe. I think it's normally $24 and I paid $12 for it. Don't quote me on those numbers, but I'm pretty sure this was the most expensive product I bought and I ain't mad. I don't regret it. I'm very, very happy. I just wanted to show you guys some of the other additional benefits of Boxycharm. Like I'm not sponsored. I'm not trying to push Boxycharm. I personally just really like it and enjoy it. So I like to share things I'm personally excited about. And one of the benefits is even if you don't get the items you want in your box, because there are so many different variations every month, you might see other people getting items you like and then you don't get them. You still have the opportunity to get the items at an extremely below retail value. And that to me, like, it makes it worth it. Even on the months where like the box is not really my personal taste or style, I'm usually not upset because I have so many people in my life that I can pass off products to so that I know someone's gonna use it who it is their more taste or style. And I really don't have a need for any of this stuff. It's more like an interest, obsession, collection for me. So it's like not like I'm reliant on getting certain products in the box. If you definitely are someone who needs specific things, it won't work for you. But if you're someone who just likes to experiment, I think it's great, especially because with the add-ons and the pop-ups and all the little events they do, like one event a month it seems like, and the charm room and all this other stuff, which I'll continue to make videos about as each event happens because I participate in all of them. I can't help myself. When there's a bargain, I gotta take advantage of that. I love the bargains. So yeah, this is everything I got. They have like a million more items, but you know, I try to exercise some restraint and not just like order everything that's 80% off, even though my brain is like, order all of it. It's a steal. It's a bargain. It's a deal. You need it all. Your grandmother's sister's best friend needs something, so buy it at 80% off. Someone you know will use it. I don't know. My mentality is like not healthy. So I try to restrict it to things I will reasonably use or things I saw in other people's boxes that I didn't get that I really want to try. So add-ons is a great opportunity. You only have access to add-ons in the pop-up room and I don't even know if I'm saying those right, but all those extra benefits if you're already a subscribing member. So that's kind of the downside is, or upside, depending on how you look at it. It's upside for members that, you know, we don't have to compete with like the broad general market, but it's not offered. You can't just go and buy these stuff. You have to have an active membership for Boxycharm to participate in these deal events. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you could, since we're such close, good friends and we have a personal relationship here at this point, can you like this video? Maybe leave a comment. Let me know what you think if there was any of these products that looked particularly interesting to you, or if you have any questions about any of them. Like, I'm happy to answer any questions about my experience with Boxycharm further. I read all of the comments. I read all 5 of my comments on every video. But no, seriously, if you could like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I am uploading frequently as I can. I do have some shopping addiction issues that I love to explore on this channel. I also love to do other things, so it is a bit of a mixed bag. Yeah, there's gonna be lots more makeup because I fucking love it. And thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me. Thank you so much. All right, bye. How do I turn this off? For this dog, this dog does not care about my YouTube channel. He does not care about my YouTube career, my YouTube future. He just sees it as an annoying thing that takes time and attention away from him. How long do you need to drink water, sir? Really? You're that thirsty? You're still drinking water? Okay. You done now? You done now? Okay.